You've probably noticed the new free email marketing option available within your Bitrix24 account. Let's take a closer look at the CRM marketing module and the additional tools it comes with. Your Bitrix24 CRM contains a database of your current and prospective customers, along with their email addresses and phone numbers. That means you can reach up to 5,000 people a month via email marketing absolutely free of charge. If you upgrade to a commercial plan, you'll be able to run SMS, robocalling, and instant messaging campaigns in addition to bulk mailing, and it only costs $39 a month. But that's not all, because Facebook, Instagram, and Google let you target specific people by their email addresses or phone numbers. You can also run retargeting campaigns directly from your Bitrix24 CRM. Our free CRM lets you create an unlimited number of static and dynamic segments so that you can target different audiences with different messages or offers. And you'll see detailed statistics for each campaign after it is successfully concluded. Bitrix24 CRM marketing is currently in beta, so we appreciate any feedback you may have. To stay updated, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share Bitrix24 on Facebook or Twitter with anyone who can take advantage of our free CRM and email marketing tools.